My name is Ezekiel Diquito, and welcome to Wonderland. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity means, bio means life, while diversity means variety of life. Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, while each species, no matter how small or big, all have an important role to play. So, we need to plant trees to contribute to our environment by providing oxygen and improving air. Discuss about the essence of good life. They believe that the essence in living life is in the small, little things. They tend to do whatever makes them happy. Many might just live an average life in the eyes of others. They believe that happiness is far from important than anything in the world. They boost your happiness and reduce your stress and improve your self-confidence and self-worth. Every happiness and every sorrow, yet they never left you.
So what is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes and especially in industry. So what do you mean by communication technology? Communication technology is a system that uses technical means to transmit information or data from one place or a person to another, like Bluetooth, handset, or cell phones. Technology is important because it allows communication to be more convenient, and in some ways more effective. We use it in the workplace to allow us to communicate with our loved ones, family, and it saves time as well as money.
So what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. So, where does the cyberbullying can occur? Through SMS, text, and apps, or online in social media, forums, or gaming, where people can view or participate in or share on content.
The scenes. So let's get started. This is one of the most example of. So the importance of technology.
Ano, nabidyo ko na nga. Ulit naman.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. Wait lang, ang init dito. Ang sakit sa mata. Nakita ko may kasama siyang iba.
Bakit na lang dalawa? Bakit na lang magsama? Bakit